Farmers protested against former Haryana Home Minister Anil Vij in Ambala. In fact, Anil Vij was also seen arguing with the farmers who were protesting. The farmers were complaining about how the Haryana government had made the police lathi charge and open fire on them during their march to Delhi, from Punjab to Delhi. Now, Anil Vij said that as Home Minister that he could not run away from his responsibility. Earlier, we spoke to Gurpreet for more details.
Well, we have seen the farmers, they held a press conference yesterday where they have decided to Gehrao and especially to hold protest in front of BJP netas. That is the fallout which the former Home Minister of Haryana, Anil Vij, has faced today when the farmer, huge number of the farmer, they were raising slogan against the former Home Minister and saying that they were the one who had given order for shooting at the farmers, and that's why they were holding protest. During that conversation which was going between the former Home Minister and the farmer, he has given a reply saying he was performing his duty and that was his prime duty which he has done. He did not even withdraw his duty, and that as per the protocol, whatever he has done, that is as per his duty which he has discharged at that time. So now in Punjab and Haryana we have seen a lot of farmers, they are protesting against the BJP leaders, and specifically we have seen today the former Home Minister has faced their worth at this point of time, and they are protesting against the BJP leader and specifically the former Home Minister of Haryana. So let's see that how the BJP leaders are going to villages to ask for the votes from the farmers and other community also. So that is yet to be seen. But today we have seen a huge protest against the former Home Minister, and specifically when they were holding protest, they are saying you are the one, you were the Home Minister who had given direction for shooting at the farmer. So let's see in the coming days how the situation and law and order is going to be turned and how the state is going to control all the situation, and specifically how the BJP leaders are going to ask for votes in favor of BJP in the villages.